Welcome to ERPCA. Now we will see how to create new company in ERPCA. In main page, under Setup menu list, we will see Company button. On Company page, click on Create New Company button. Fill the all details regarding company as much as possible. Name, billing address and PAN card are mandatory field. We can also upload company logo, signature and QR code if required. After filled all necessary detail, click on Submit button. Congratulations, we created new company account in ERPCA. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.